this tutorial we will set up a controller to de-energise in high alarm state. To enter the config level to configure the alarm, we need to press and hold the page key. When you see level 3, enter code 3 with the up arrow key. Press and hold the page key once more until you see the level 3 go to. Press the up arrow key to select conf. Enter code 4. Once conf comes on the screen, you are now in the configuration level. Press the page key and advance to alarm. Press the scroll key to observe A1.typ. Use the arrow key and select HI for high. Now press this page key once more and advance to OP-2. This is the relay output on this controller. Press the scroll key, the ID indicates relay. Press the scroll key once more and select 2-dot function, and on here select D out. Press the scroll key again and press it several times until you come to 2-dot sense. Using the arrow keys, select INU for inverting. This means that when the alarm is activated, the relay contact will be open circuit. If you wish to change the sense to the alarm and you wish the relay contacts to be short circuit, select NOR on the screen. For this purpose, we are de-energising the relay, so we will select INU. To exit config, press and hold the page and the scroll keys together to observe conf go to. Return back to operator level, the lowest level, which is level 1. The interrupt now restart, and you're back to your normal screen. And you have now set up the output to alarm for high alarm activity with an open circuit contact.
For more information and instructional videos, please visit Eurotherm.com. Thanks for watching.